Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting by opening the email in its own window so the exporter captures full content. Once the message is open, check attachments and download any inline files. Otherwise, they may not embed in the PDF. Make sure you decide if you need full headers or just the readable body, because that affects the print output. Now that the message and attachments are ready, move to the export/print step to create a stable PDF copy for archiving or sharing. Now choose the PDF creation path. If you prefer a single PDF, use File Print and pick Microsoft Print to PDF. That creates one file with message content. Alternatively, use File Save As and select PDF if your Outlook version supports it. Make sure to adjust settings, page size, orientation, and whether to include headers. If attachments must be separate PDFs, open each attachment and print to PDF individually. This keeps formatting correct. Once settings look right, confirm and produce the PDF file. Finish by saving the PDF to a known folder and open it to verify that text, images, and attachments appear correctly. If something looks missing or misaligned, try the print to PDF method rather than save as because it often preserves layout and embedded images better. If the PDF still lacks fonts or images, update your PDF printer drivers or use a reliable third-party PDF printer like Adobe. As a quick troubleshooting tip, restart Outlook and reproduce the export. Many transient issues clear with a restart.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.